In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use steer tool in Affinity Designer. So first open up Affinity and also open up a blank canvas. Now in the left panel, go to the Shapes panel and grab the Tear tool. Now simply click and drag on the canvas to draw your tear shape. You can hold Shift in your keyboard to keep the proportions even. And once created, you'll see special controls at the top like curve, tail position, and bend. These tools let you customize the shape. Curve adjusts how round or sharp the sides are, and the tail position moves the tip up or down, and bend lets you curve the whole tear left and right. Because it's a live shape, you can resize or edit it anytime without losing quality. You can also modify the color by clicking on this color button, and you can even change the color to gradient colors and hatch patterns. You can also modify the border of your tool by clicking on the stroke settings. Here you can adjust the width, the cap, join, align, and other options for your tier tool. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!